I worked with clinical trials in the oncology space. So I did a lot of data entry, reading a lot of patient records, recording all of their findings. Are they doing well? Are they not doing so well? Have they passed away, etc.? Pretty heavy stuff of 8 hours a day reading about people's, cancer journey. I loved listening to podcasts. And I found the Adventure Zone, and it's wonderful. You get to listen to a story, you get to listen to people having fun and caring about each other, and it really is full of life and happiness.
You see before you a huge black expanse inside a cavern, and there is blood all over the edges of this cavern. There's blood on the ground all over, which is probably why they call it
the Bloody Cavern.
The Bloody Cavern, yes.
My introduction to D&D was the day that the boys came to me. They'd been doing My Brother and Me podcast for a number of years, and Justin and Sydney were about to have their first child, so he was going to take paternity leave, and they needed a few fill-in episodes to cover the gap. And I had been on Mabim Bam a few times, and so the listeners suggested that the four of us play D&D together. And so the first time I ever played D&D was that very first episode of what turned out to be the Adventure Zone. It was just going to be an episode of Mabim Bam, but it proved to be so popular. The network, Max Fun, said, would you guys be interested in doing this on a regular basis? So we said, yeah, sure. It was just kind of a goof, but people really seemed to respond to it.